Okay. Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're in Portofino Heights and we're going to take a look at this new house behind me here that's about 99% done. You can look down in the description for the size of the floor area and the lot size, but we're just going to go tripping and show you this. You might be familiar with this in one of our listings in our site at philhome.com when we videotaped this when it was under construction. Now it's finished and we're going to walk on through and check it out. Let's go tripping. So this was all under the construction when we did our first video. Now it's all ready for a buyer, and we're just going to go in here and check it out. So let's go check it out. You can see they put the landscaping in here and everything. So it's all fairly new. New tile. This house has really nice doors and door jambs. It's really beautiful. See that nice wood jambs there? Really nice. You got this pattern on the floor as you walk in. So when you first walk in, there's a room to the left here. See, this is what I was talking about, the door jambs. See this beautiful, nice, very well sanded door jambs, and the doors are really nice. So we look at this first room here. You can see this can be a lower bedroom for grandparents, or this could be an office. But you got a built-in closet there and shoe rack. Then you can see it has a CR, full CR with complete shower, tiled all the way up to the ceiling. Modernized stainless steel shower there, very nice. And then I'll just pan around the room here. See that? So if you had grandparents and you didn't want them to walk up the stairs, this is a great room for them. And then you come in, and there's another door here, which you have a guest CR, as you can see. Very nice. Nice tile design up to the ceiling. I'll close this door. Then you have a built-in over here on the right as you walk in, on the stairways, underneath the stairway. And I'll just pan around this room here so you can get an idea. Nice big room here for the living room. High ceilings. You see this built-in here for your TV. Very nice. And then you look up in the ceiling here where you could hang a chandelier from right there in the center. You see that right there? Hang a big chandelier there. And this big window here is nice because it lets in all this light. So you got all this natural light. See that? Little side window here for the, I don't know what, the dining room or something here. Or you could use this as the dining room, but see, here's this room here, sliding glass door. And you could go out into the side of the house here. But let me pan around this way so you can have an idea. See, so look at this sliding glass door. This is high quality here. Slides very nice. See, and this is the dining table. And then the kitchen area. You have built-ins. They haven't put the glass in this cabinets yet here. But you can see the nice lit ceilings there, tiered. And you have a spot there where you can hang a chandelier type or any kind of light fixture you like. And see the nice sink built in over here. And you have a stovetop top here with the exhaust. Then you have built-in oven and microwave, it looks like here. Then you walk through this door here. You have a dirty kitchen with lots of cabinets. And if I just pan around here, you can see that there's more cabinet space here. And behind that box right there is your circuit breakers, granite countertops, and then you have the Maids Room right here. And the Maids Room has shelves in here for her stuff. Nice. And of course you have a door to the outside wash area, but we'll look at that later. Let's go upstairs. So let's cruise on up. Lots of lights I see. Now I really particularly like these stairs because they must have spent some time sanding these because it looks really smooth. See, look at that shine coming off there. Nice polyurethane finish. Tinted side glass rail with the wood railing. Got lights along the stairs so you don't trip when you're coming down at night with the lights off. So as soon as you get to the top of the stairs, you can see there's a balcony there with a nice sliding glass door. And you can put a really cool light right there. It's ready. Each room has the wire hanging down to put a fancy light. So this first room at the top of the stairs to the left, you can see, I'll pan around here. Pretty good sized room. And then you have behind the door, you can see there's built-in closets. And then it has its own CR with a nice stainless steel shower setup and tiled all the way to the ceiling. Nice. Then across from here, well, let's go look at this balcony. See that? Got a little balcony here. You can come out, yell down to somebody at the front of the house, or if you smoke, you can come out here and smoke. Most people don't like to smoke in their house. So you got the next room here. Look at that, nice. And it's got built-in closets behind the door also, as you can see. Pretty tall closets, hold a lot of stuff. And then you have the same type of bathroom setup with the stainless steel showers and everything, and bidets. You see that all the toilets got bidets. Then we'll go this way down the hall. And you can see this cool design here on the ceiling here where you hang a big, you could probably hang a big crystal chandelier or something modern type of chandelier. And then if anybody sees through this window, they'll see your chandelier hanging right there. It's pretty cool at night. Cool effect. Then you see here you got something for a light you could set up here too. And over here we have, looks like a storage area. Probably put towels and things there or knickknacks. And you have a room here. And it has built-in closets over here to the right of the door. You can see your aircon remote controls by the light switch. And then you come in here. Same type of setup with the bathroom, just different tile. You have a ledge there for your soaps and things. And the same style stainless steel shower. And it has nice faucets here. Those are nice. Okay, now let's go look at the master's bedroom. Okay, it's the master's bedroom. Nice size room. See that? I'll walk over here and pan this way. And you see, you have no neighbors behind you. See that? So that's nice. Look at this little design on the wall, on the ceiling here. Pretty cool. It looks like there's the cable, so this is where your TV would be, and the bed would be in this space between the windows. And then you have this design above your bed. That's cool. Then we got the door here into the walk-in closet. Now this has a lot of drawers and a lot of places to hang clothes. See that? So, I mean, this one little closet right here, this little closet space right here is probably for the man and the rest is for the wife. That's how it works in my house. So here you go, you have a sliding door, pocket door I think they call that. Very nice, nice wood there, hardwood. Sink area. Then you have the CR with bidet, and then you have the dividing glass and a place you could sit down if you wanted to, trying to wash your feet or something. Then you have the same stainless steel shower setup. Really cool. Tiled all the way to the ceiling. So nice sized master bedroom and master bedroom closet. Let's go look at the outside of the house now. I like the accent lighting in the ceilings. See how that's accented there like that? Okay, let's go down the stairs here. I like these little lights along the stairs on the right. All the switches here for all of the areas here. So what we'll do is I will go out this way and then cut around. So see these bushes here? I use these on my house, but I put a bunch of them close together, and you can build, and my bushes have grown all the way up to about 14 feet high now. So you can just block out your neighbors if you wanted to. So we got the new grass here. And then we have this, these will grow up to hedges. These will be like hedges down this little down slant. And then the garage area, let me come out in the street to show you this. So the garage area can hold about 2 cars. If you wanted to, you could put a garage door on this. And if you look up there, there's the driver's room. It's got the ladder to get up there, or you could use it for storage. It's up to you. And then here's a driver's bathroom. Got a shower there. And also the maid can use that. Because you remember the maid's room is in here, right over there. So they come out and use this bathroom. Then you got a wash area here. All tiled back. And then I'll just show you this. I don't want to step on the new grass that's growing there, but you can see they got some trees and everything going on down here. So that's pretty cool. And you can see the back of your lot. That's your neighbor over there. See that? Nobody to bother you. And on the other side of the lot, look at that. No one to bother you. Mango trees all over the place. If you look across the street, you can see this lot over here is full of mango trees. See those big mango trees ahead there? I'll just give you an idea of the neighborhood. See across the street from me, you got nobody. You look down on the other side of the lot, look at that, nobody. Your closest neighbor is that guy over there. See that house over there? That's your closest neighbor. Your second closest neighbor is this guy over here. And this guy's way far away from me, so no worries. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough on the house here. If you look down the description, you can find you know, the floor area and the size of the lot and everything and the price. And because I don't like to put that on the video in case, you know, I got it wrong or something. So there's also links there. You can go to philhome.com and you can contact us if you'd like to see this house. No problem. Or you can go to Philhome in Facebook and you can contact us on your personal Facebook, and we can talk to you there too. It's up to you, your choice. So I hope you enjoyed this tripping of this house, this brand new built house. And thanks for watching philhome.com.